How to pay on Allchinabuy. So this is a basic and easy guide on how to pay on Allchinabuy. So first you need to add items to your cart, browse through the Allchinabuy website and select the items you want to purchase. Click the add to cart button for each item. Number two, review your cart. Once you've added all desired items, click on the shopping cart icon or go to the My Cart page to review your order. Ensure that all items, quantities, and details are correct before proceeding. Number three, proceed to checkout. So click the checkout or proceed to checkout button to begin the payment process. Log in or register. You will be prompted to log into your All China Buy account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register or create a guest account to proceed with the purchase. Enter shipping information. Provide your shipping information or address and contact details. Make sure all information is accurate and avoid delivery issues. Number six, choose payment method. All China Buy typically offers various payment methods. Some common payment methods include credit card, debit card like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal for secure online transactions, bank transfer in certain cases depending on the region, other payment options depending on your location. They might offer original options such as e-wallets, Alipay, or other payment gateways. Now enter payment details. If paying by credit or debit card, you will need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. If paying PayPal, you will be directed to the PayPal site to log in and confirm your payment. After that, confirm the payment or pay now. Now you will see or you will be notified with the payment confirmation. After that, check order status, and basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.